Please like this video and subscribe. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Hello road trippers, this is Travel Towner, and today we are in St. Joseph, Michigan, where we will be taking a walking tour in St. Joseph on State Street. We'll start up at Ship Street and check out all the businesses along State Street all the way down to Elm Street. Don't forget, please subscribe. It's a free way to help these videos keep coming. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.